Come test drive this 2018 Toyota Highlander. It features an automatic transmission, all-wheel drive, and a 3.5-liter six-cylinder engine. Toyota prioritized comfort and style by including front and rear reading lights, variably intermittent wipers, turn signal indicator mirrors, remote keyless entry, and a split folding rear seat. Passengers in the third row enjoy seat-back reclining functionality, providing an extra level of comfort and convenience. Premium sound drives 6 speakers, providing you and your passengers a sensational audio experience. Toyota also prioritized safety and security by including traction control, brake assist, a panic alarm, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Electronic stability control ensures solid grip atop the road surface, no matter how challenging the driving conditions. We have a skilled and knowledgeable sales staff with many years of experience satisfying our customers' needs. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.